Hey, high school team, Miss Cassie, Mr. John, Miss Andrea here. We're going to start our ULS November chapters for you. We're going to go through the chapter and then we're going to answer some questions at the end. So follow along. Chapter 1, Mesopotamia and the Wheel. Mrs. B and her class are at the Natural History Museum. They are learning about ancient communities. These are communities from a long time ago. An archaeologist is their guide.
Archaeologists learn about ancient communities. They dig to look for old things. They find tools and items people used long ago.
Archaeologists find items to learn about culture. Tools, clothes, and art can tell us about culture. Dr. Jones shows the class a wheel. A wheel can tell us about culture.
The wheel is from a long time ago. It is made of clay. It was made in Mesopotamia. It can tell us about life in Mesopotamia.
People first used the wheel to make pottery. The wheel spins to make a clay bowl. We learn that they used bowls.
Later, people used the wheel on carts. It helped people farm. It helped people trade crops. We learned that people here farmed and traded.
The people put the wheel on a chariot. This is a small cart pulled by a horse. The chariot carried people and things. People and things could move faster. The wheel was a good thing.
Today, we use wheels on cars and trucks. They move us places. Wheels are on bikes and strollers. There's a lot to learn from a very old wheel.
All right, so what is this chapter about? We're going to do some questions now. What is this chapter about? Choices are wheel, doctor, or bowl. Take a minute. Think about the options. The right answer is wheel.
All right. What is the class learning about? Our answer choices are food, paint, or communities. Take a minute, think about the answer. The correct answer is this class is learning about communities.
What do tools, clothes, and art tell us about? Do they tell us about museum, culture, or horses? Take a few seconds. What word looks familiar from our story? Tools, clothes, and art tell us about culture.
What did a wheel on a cart help to do? Choices are dance, eat, farm. Again, take a moment, look at the pictures. Think about the words. Which one is the right answer? The right answer is farm.
And finally, what is important to know about this chapter? Wheels do not help us. Today, we use wheels on cars and trucks. The wheel was a bad thing. Take a moment, think about the answer choices, think about what we read about in their story. We know that the wheel was a good thing, and we know that wheels help us. So the correct answer must be, today we use wheels on cars and trucks.